Good color correction can completely change an edit, and bad color correction can completely destroy it. So in this video, I am sharing top 5 AI-like premium CCs for Alight Motion that can instantly give your edits a cleaner, sharper and more professional look. I spend a lot of time creating and testing these CCs, so let's set a small goal for this video, 75 likes. If we hit 75 likes, I'll know you want more packs like this. Now enough talking, let's check out the preview. So that was the top 5 AI-like premium CC pack. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like the video and help us reach 75 likes. For more presets, packs and editing resources, join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. And of course, subscribe for more editing content. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.